Subic-Clark, a destination that offers a perfect blend of the nature, adventure, and history. I am Natasha Mae De Guzman at your service. On behalf of University of the East Travel and Tours, we would like to extend a warm welcome to you. Welcome to Subic. To prevent delays on our tour, we must start at the same time. According to my time, it's already 8 in the morning. And to begin with, I would like to take a moment to become comfortable with the Venicities and to talk about some safety measures to avoid mishaps. Please stay seated until we get to our destination. After that, in order to prevent unnecessary loss, do not leave your belongings unattended. And lastly, always remember the golden rule. Take nothing but pictures, leave nothing but footprints, and kill nothing but time. Now, allow me to give you a quick overview of the Clark while we are on our way there. Clark is a magnificent treasure that is concealed from a plain sight. Clark Freeport Zone is a massive, multicultural metropolis with a country clubs and theme parks, casinos and restaurants, hot spring and hiking trails, and a variety of shopping stores. Whether you are traveling for business or leisure, it's all unfolding here.
Mabuhay! My name is Brynne Alexie Villar, or you can call me Ate Alex, and welcome to the new and old Clark International Airport. One of the most major airports in the Philippines located in the province of Pampanga. The Old Clark Airport, also known as the Clark Civil Aviation Complex, was once the hub of aviation in the Philippines. The airport has a rich history dating back to the 1930s when it was used as a military airfield by the U.S. Army. During the World War II, the airport played a vital role in the liberation of the Philippines, serving as a base for the U.S. Air Force. In the post-war era, the airport was open to the commercial flights connecting the people of Pampanga to other parts of the country and the world. Throughout the years, the airport underwent several renovations and upgrades, but it remained a symbol of the Philippines' aviation history and progress. Unfortunately, the Clark Civil Aviation Complex is no longer operational as a commercial airport. The airport was closed in 2008 and all commercial flights were transferred to the new Clark International Airport. With the demand for air travel increasing, a new and improved Clark Airport was built to serve more passengers and provide better services. Compared to the old airport, the new Clark Airport boasts modern facilities and state-of-the-art technology, making air travel more comfortable and convenient. The new airport runway is longer and wider, allowing bigger planes to land and take off, opening up new opportunities and international connections. The new airport lounge provides a relaxing and luxurious atmosphere, with amenities such as showers, sleeping pods, and gourmet food options. The new Clark Airport is a testament to the Philippines' commitment to providing world-class infrastructure and services, positioning the country as a top destination for tourism and business. Although the old Clark Airport is no longer in use, it will always be remembered as a significant part of the country's aviation history and a testament to the resilience and determination of the Filipino people.
One of Asia's largest water park is Aquaplanet in Clark. Where you may spend a fun-filled day with your friends, Aquaplanet sits on a 10-hectare property inside Clark Freeport Zone, Pampanga, Philippines. It is the Philippines' newest and most modern water park theme with 38 water slides and attractions that's suitable for guests of all ages. Clark's trip to Dinosaur Islands take you back to the thrilling time of the dinosaurs. Be astounded when the park uses animatronics to bring long-extinct dinosaurs back to life technology. See dinosaurs like Triceratops, Iguanodon, Spinosaurus, Stegosaurus, and Tyrannosaurus rex. Dinosaur Island is an animatronic theme park and museum that is designed to offer visitors a unique interactive learning experience of the dinosaurs era with life-size creatures. Both educational attractions and family-friendly activities are offered at Sokovia Fun Zoo. Sokovia Fun Zoo offers a fun-filled activities for the family and educational attractions. It is an adventure zoo theme park that gives a variety of exciting and heart-stopping rides. Inside Sokovia, you will find an array of colorful birds where you can feed and see them up close and personal, as well as other interesting wild animal species.
As we prepare to take a trip in the Subic, allow me to give a comprehensive introduction to Subic. Subic Bay is South China Sea embayment in the southeast of the Philippine island of the Luzon. The bay continues in the Luzon shoreline in the north and is situated 35 miles, 55 kilometers, northwest of the entrance of the Manila Bay. In the region, secondary forests surround by the bay and products like rice and corn, and bananas are the products. There are several family-friendly activities in the Subic.
Mabuhay! Once again, I'm Raniella Arianne Hernandez and you can call me Ate Raniella. I'm one of your tour guides for today. So this is one of the most haunting yet knowledgeable places you can visit in Subic-Clark. This contains history that is very interesting, and if you are into history, please listen. So Clark Air Base, formerly known as Clark Field, former U.S. military base of Central Luzon, Philippines, discovered an area of 12 square miles and 30 square kilometers and was located 48 miles and 77 kilometers north of Manila near the foothills of Kabusilan Mountains. So it was first established as a U.S. military camp for the 5th Cavalry after the Spanish-American War. Alam ba natin kung anong year to? Tama, 1898. So the base was named after Clark Field in 1918 for Major Harold M. Clark. Another fact about it, a pre-World War I pilot on December 8, 1941, at the outset of the Pacific phase of World War II, the installation was the principal targets of the raid by the Taiwan Japanese bombers. So guys, I have gathered a lot of information about the U.S. Air Base, and first I will begin with the first Japanese kamikaze or suicide flight was made from Clark 1944 as U.S. forces began the process of recapturing the Philippines. So in the post-World War II era, another fact about this is the Clark Air Base became the largest U.S. military air base outside the United States, and it became a vital connecting link with U.S. forces in South Korea and later on Southeast Asia. During the Vietnamese War 1955 to 1975, the Clark Air Base served as a strategic supply base and fighter squadron installation. So another fact about it is in the beginning of 1970s, the United States and the Philippines held negotiation on the conditions of continuing the Clark Air Base, but due to eruption in June 1991 of nearby Mount Pinatubo, it was covered with volcanic ash, destroying many buildings. So at this point, the negotiation of the Clark Air Base became a moot. So the United States government withdrew, turning over the base to the Philippine government on November 26, 1991. So the Philippine government subsequently covered the airbase and the surrounding area into a free port. So it is a special economic zone, as I have known, and also it is known as the Clark Freeport Zone. The industrial and transportation facilities developed there attracted foreign trade and investments, thereby stimulating the economic growth of Central Luzon. So the base runways and other facilities were converted to as a use of international airport. So I want you to scan for yourself and see for yourself the machines and parts and also the examples of airplanes that is used here in U.S. Clark Air Base in Subic. So I want you to scan for yourself, and also if you have any questions, feel free to ask me so I can answer your questions and your curiosity. So as you can see in the background, there is a 505 Search and Rescue Group. So did you know that the Clark Field was named after Major Harold M. Clark? a pre-World War I pilot in 1918. So, on December 8, 1941, at the outside of the Pacific phase of World War II, the installation was the principal target of raids by Taiwan-based Japanese bombers. So, it was destroyed into half of the U.S. Army's aircraft in East Asia. So, what happened to the Clark Air Force Base? So, the Philippine Senate rejected this extension of the military bases agreement on 16 September 1991. So, on November 26, 1991, the U.S. government formally turned Clark over to the Philippine government, which transformed into an airfield into a Clark International Airport. So, I have a question for you guys is, bakit nga ba tayo merong US military bases here in Philippines? So, another fact and another answer I would say is the United States is increasing its military presence here in the Philippines because it gains access to more force sites and strengthening the Southeast Asia's nation's role as a key strategic partner for Washington, D.C. in the event of a conflict with China over Taiwan.
Greetings and welcome to Subic. I am Dana Davidao, or you may call me Ate Dana. I will be your tourist guide for Subic. The first indoor educational fun park in the Subic Bay Freeport Zone is called Fantastic Park. Fantastic Park provides entertaining and distinctive activities both children and adults with a sense of wonder can enjoy. The Mirror Maze is a challenging experience for both young and young at heart people. It will surely be entertaining for you to find your way out of the surrounding mirror pathways, where you might witness limitless reflections and impossibly long corridors. You can also interact with trick art paintings by taking on a role or acting in a way that makes you appear to be a component of the original work. Greetings once more. How was your visit to Fantastic Park? Did you all have fun? I'm delighted everyone had a good time. Now that everyone has had the chance to settle down, we can move on to our next destination. Hello everyone, we are now getting close to Ocean Adventure. Ocean Adventure is Southeast Asia's first open water marine theme park. It is presently recognized as one of the main tourist spots in Subic Bay, Philippines, as well as the rest of Southeast Asia. Ocean Adventure has a long history of providing environmental education and healthy entertainment. Ocean Adventure has exceptional corporate social responsibility and environmental advocacy programs. You're in for a treat at Sentinels of the Sea, a production that features dolphins, the most brilliant aquatic creatures in the deep blue sea. Get over your fear! The Lion Marine Patrol has arrived. Let these adorable sea lions win your heart with their charm and incredible skills as they learn to defend our oceans. If you can't get enough of their sweetness, you may see them swim, dive, and roll in their backstage pool after the concert. Visit Ocean Discovery Aquarium to see the amazing underwater world of Subic Bay without having to leave the earth. Explore coral reefs, freshwater streams, mangrove forests, and dimly lit tunnels with being in wonder of a vast range of new plants and marine life. This enlightening experience will hold your attention. So how did everyone's ocean adventure travel experience go? Has everyone enjoyed themselves? I'm delighted everyone had a good time. Take a moment to loosen up as we move on to our next destination. We're finally heading to the Subic Safari for our end destination. The Subic Bay Freeport Zone's Subic Safari is the only tiger safari in the Philippines, and it is situated right in the middle of the forest. Instead of being your typical zoo or theme park, Subic allows you to get up close and personal with these amazing animals while also raising awareness and concern for their species through education and information. Enjoy and have a fun experience, close and personal with the largest members of the cat family. The unique petting zoo and animal observation area at Subic-Clark are situated in a setting resembling a tropical jungle. Explore the displays of a wide variety of animals from many parts of the world and also get up and close and personal and appreciate them. Several of these animals are now accustomed to people and are amicable, moving freely among the tourists. Several of these animals can be petted at any time.
So, whether you're looking for a place to unwind or seeking an adventure, Subic-Clark is have something for everyone. Come and experience the best of nature, adventure, and history in this beautiful destination.